Internet, what's up? This is Rob from TechGuysSmartBuy.com, and today we're talking about the LG V40. They marketed it, 5 cameras, 1 phone. We're going to talk about, what else this phone has going on and how it compares to the G7, and if you have one, should you upgrade? So with the V40, the notch remains. You still got the boombox speaker, headphone jack, quad DAC, dedicated Google Assistant button, metal frame, IP68 dust water resistant glass body. But the glass body is scratch city. So I've just had mine in my pocket with occasionally a car key. That thing looks like it's been through some things. Now on paper, it's the same size as the Note 9, but offers a better screen to body ratio. It has a 6.4-inch OLED panel, got superb colors, brightness, viewing angles, and everything you watch on here looks amazing. It's actually almost as good as Samsung's OLED on the Note 9. You still got the Snapdragon 845 and 64 gigs of storage, upgradable to 2 terabytes, but they made sure to step up the RAM. So this has 6 gigs of RAM instead of 4 to help keep up with the image processing and all the different things, Google Lens searches, multitasking, and everything you would normally use it for. So although the spec sheet lists a 3,300 milliamp battery, it sounds like, a little measly. It's probably not going to live up to all-day status that LG suggested that it would. Surprise, it actually does. So on heavier days, I was able to get closer to 20 hours of usage before I got the 15% low battery alert. Of course, you got fast wireless charging and Quick Charge 3.0 to make sure you can get your, refill it up quickly too, which is always a plus. Now again, we talked about the camera in a separate video. You can watch that in the card above. So on the software side, it's running Android 8.1 Oreo. You got less bloatware. You got Google Lens within the camera app, LG's own take on Google Feed. Other than that, it's still the same, but it's they're giving you a little more control over it. So if you don't care for it, you can kind of tweak it to make it a little more your own. So yeah, so the V40 is the ultimate Swiss Army knife of a smartphone. Even more than the G7. You got a total of 5 cameras, not too many gimmicks, quad DAC for wired headphones, boombox speakers for no headphones, all-day battery life, all on a great OLED display. Just wish LG beefed up their marketing so more people will be aware of their flagship smartphones as an option for Android users. However, LG is commanding a high cost for the latest and greatest. The V40 ThinQ is close to about $1,000 retail. I'm pretty sure that price will be coming down around these holidays, at least it better. So say if there's something about this that you didn't really care for, the G7 is still a great phone that you look into in regards to options. If you got the V40, or if you walk past in the store and there's some questions that we may have missed, sound off in the comments below, we can talk about it. If you have a V40, let us know how you like it or things you don't like. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.